what is this?
Hammer.
Hammer. What is this?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. And hand me this one, the red one. No, this one.
Red.
What is that? What is this?
Sauce.
Huh?
Sauce.
Saw?
Sauce.
Saw. What else we have? What's that? What's that, Aiden? This one. What's this?
Sauce.
This one. What is this?
Cutter.
Hmm?
Cutter.
No. It's not a cutter. The cutter is this one. What is this? This one.
Wood.
So we got a file. What else we got?
Rose.
What else we got? Show me this one. What is this, Aiden? Aiden, what is this?
Pliers.
Pliers. So we got pliers. And we got... Hand me this. Hand me this one. And this one, what is this? This one? What is this?
I
What is
don't
this?
know.
You don't know? I know you know this. This is a cutter.
Cutter.
See, you remember? This one, I know you know this. What is this?
Axes.
What is this?
Axe.
Axe. Okay. Axe. And what is this? This one I can't remember. What is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? You've said before it's a nipper. So what is this?
Paper.
Huh?
Paper.
Nipper? Are you sure it's a nipper?
Paper.
Okay, we call it a nipper for now. So we have a nipper, according to him. And this one, what is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know either. I think
What?
it's a hex key. Maybe.
What? Building.
Building?
Hammer. Here. And two. Oh, what? Red.
Oh, how many would you
Red. Red.
Show me. Where? There's some marking.
Marking.
What color?
Red.
Wow, very good.
I meant. This. No. Not this. This. Yeah, you did it. There. Nope. Not that. Yeah. Yeah.
What is that, Aiden?
Pliers.
Pliers? And what is that?
Hammer.
Hammer. What are you doing with the hammer?
No.
Nail? What are you doing with the nail? What is that?
Cutter.
Cutter? Wow.
Wood.
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 Wood. Okay.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Where's your screwdriver?
Gun.
Gun? Where is it? Maybe it's in the bag. Look for it in the bag. Maybe it's still there inside. Ah, I know where is your screwdriver. Yes. Yes. Now you need to use the pliers. Where's the pliers?
Diet.
Yes. The pile, where is
File.
it? Yes. Use it. Cut. Use it for cutting. The saw is there, oh. Under the sofa. Get it. Oh, cut the wood. We're gonna review all your tools, huh? This one is
Hammer.
hammer. And this one is hex key.
Hachi.
Hex key, not sexy. Hex key. This one is
Cutter.
cutter. This one is
Pliers.
this one. No, this one first. What is this?
Wrench.
That's a wrench. Very good. And this one?
Cutter.
Huh? What is this?
Cutter.
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 Pliers.
Pliers. Hungry.
Hungry? You're hungry? Oh, you're very hungry? Oh, what is this?
Wrench.
No, this is
Pliers.
pliers. And we got
Screwdriver.
screwdriver. And we got your favorite
Sash.
saw. And this one, Aiden?
Cutter.
No. This is? What is this?
Fine.
File. We get file. And this one?
Ashes.
Axe. And last one? This is?
Zipper.
Nipper.
Zipper.
Okay. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.